Hi students, MCQ number 18. An electric dipole consists of two opposite charges, each of magnitude 1 microcoulomb, separated by distance of 2 centimeter. The dipole is placed in an external electric field of 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. The maximum torque on the dipole has to be determined. As you all know that the dipole consists of two equal and opposite charges separated by distance 2a. So the magnitude of the charge is equal to 1 microcoulomb, that is 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Now the symbol for the distance of separation is 2a. So 2a is equal to 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter. This is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter in SI unit. Now when it is placed in an external electric field of magnitude 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. Now whenever the torque is placed in an external electric field, it experiences a torque if the field is uniform. Okay, if it is non-uniform means in addition to the torque it also experiences a force. So here it is assumed to be uniform electric field of 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. So for maximum torque, theta is equal to 90 degree for the torque to be maximum. Okay. So the general expression is what? The magnitude of the torque is equal to P into E into sin theta, P sin theta, where this P is the electric dipole moment and that is equal to 2A into Q into E into sin theta. So when will be the torque maximum? And the magnitude of the maximum torque is given by tau maximum, that is equal to 2a into q. So 2a is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter into q is 10 power minus 6 coulomb into E is 10 power 5. So this is 10 power 5 into sin 90 is equal to 1. So very simple calculation. So that this is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 8 plus 5. So this is 2 into 10 power minus 3 Newton meter. Okay, this is the expected answer for the maximum torque. So this is 2 into 10 power minus 3 Newton meter. Option C is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. It's a very simple numerical problem. Only thing is you have to remember that for maximum torque, the angle theta is equal to 90 degree. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.